In this video guide we'll accomplish the following task. Export layout view 2D to PDF file. Here are some steps you have to follow. Go to main menu, and select the layout. When you see the list of projects, select project number 002. Select view 2D. When you see the list of zones to clone, click zone DD. The plan view and front view will open. Arrange descriptions and parameters so that everything is readable. Click button Export to PDF, start download. After downloading, you can open a 2D view in a PDF viewer. Also, each blueprint has own footer. Move down to the front view. Arrange descriptions and parameters so that everything is readable. Click button Export to PDF, start download. After downloading, you can open a 2D view in a PDF viewer. Look at the footer.